Hello everyone, today I am at Pratap Motorrad Jaipur. Today they are launching all new BS6, G310 GS and G310R. So let's have a look.
Hello everyone, so here we present the all new BMW G310 GS.
This is BS6 version of G310 GS with 313cc power and 34 Nm of torque. Now let's take a look at BMW G310R. This bike also has 313cc engine and 34 Nm of torque.
Hello riders, so here is the BMW G310 GS, completely all new, completely BS6 and completely re-energized. So let me present you this thing. It's got new LED headlamps, number one. It's got new LED indicators, and let me show you the things.
There are significant number of changes and updates in both G310R and G310 GS. the specifications of BMW G310 GS. Water-cooled single-cylinder 4-stroke engine, 4 valves, 2 overhead camshafts and finger followers, wet sump lubrication, 313cc capacity, 25 kilowatt or 34 PS at 9500 RPM. Maximum torque 28 Nm at 7500 RPM. Maximum speed is 143 km per hour. Weight 169.5 kg. Seat height is 835 mm. Inner leg curve is 1870 mm. 11 liter petrol tank with approx 1 liter of reserve. Wheelbase is 1420 mm. Front tire 19 inches radius, 110 by 80. Rear tire 17 inches radius, 150 by 70. It has cast aluminium wheels, BMW Motorrad ABS, rear preload adjustable, single disc front brake, radial front brake caliper, upside down fork. Now it has sleeper clutch, revolution counter, LED turn indicator, LED tail light, LED headlight, info flat screen, daytime running light and ride-by-wire technology. This comes with luggage rack, handbrake lever adjustable, clutch lever adjustable and one-piece seat bench. This is coming in 3 colors: polar white, cosmic black and kyanite blue metallic. New rally sticker is giving it a fascinating look. The frame is now painted in red color. Graphics are stunning, design has been improved, so overall this bike is looking awesome. I will soon take a test drive of all these two bikes and then I will upload my feedback on the channel. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.